Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. It is Try 5 time. It's a 1956, fresh off the truck from California. Still has the California black plate, 1956 Bel Air 2-door. What a hot rod this is. Come on up, let's check it out. Wow, talk about sharp. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful 350 built, hooked up to a 350 turbo transmission. Very detailed under the hood. Gorgeous rod. Don't forget to check out pictures of the undercarriage at VanguardMotorsales.com. And while you're there, click on the 7 deadliest mistakes to purchasing a classic car online. We've saved many people thousands of dollars. Let's take a look at the paint. The paint, the chrome, the stainless on this vehicle is just phenomenal. There's no dings, no rust. This just came off the truck from California a day ago, and it is November 15th. And it isn't going to last long because this bad boy is beautiful. Look at the way those doors shut on here. It's very, very tight. Wait till you see the undercarriage pictures at VanguardMotorsales.com. Also, join us on Facebook at Facebook.com/Vanguard Motor Sales. It's just a little bit of wear right here on these rear round tail lights right there. Let's take a look inside the trunk here and see what a beautiful trunk it is. Nice, solid, all painted trunk. Nice steel from the Motor City. It's hard to find these California black plate cars too. And here's one right in your backyard. Don't forget, we specialize in overseas shipping, so don't be shy. We can get it to you. All the glass is in perfect shape. It's just a beautiful car. And it rides as good as it looks. Check out these beautiful door lips. No Bondo, no rust. It's a beautiful thing about getting a California car. And wait till you see this interior. It's all brand new. Dan Chuck interior, I should say. Headliner, everything is impeccable in here. And if you can't see something in the video, don't forget, go to our website, Vanguard Motor Sales, and you'll be able to check it all out. Here we are, Aubrey, in a beautiful 56 Chevy. There's nothing like a true classic like this. Red and white, the two favorite combos. This is just unbelievable the way this thing rides. Speedo works, heat works, wipers work. Check out the headliner, it's beautiful. I don't know what they put up there, but it is just gorgeous. Don't forget, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. Buy one done, don't restore it. Save yourself thousands of dollars. And also, you can save money by getting our fabulous 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online. Just go to our website and click on the free report, and there's no strings attached. Wow, this thing just drives like a dream. You know why? Because at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. Man, this thing's got some good power. Talk about the heads turning. Everyone always wants to see a 55, 6, or 7 Chevy pull up. Can you imagine being at your house right now and having the truck driver knock on your door telling them you're 56 coming off the truck and pull it in your drive? Let's make it happen. Call me today, 7 days a week. My name is Tom, 248-974-9513. Thanks for joining us today at Vanguard Motor Sales, and stay tuned for the next pass.